Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the source. Press Ctrl+H and search for the Q character. Make sure you try exact lowercase and uppercase. Once done, toggle the Show/Hide Paragraph button so you can see hidden symbols and spacing. Then open Autocorrect and Quick Parts. Sometimes a saved entry inserts a stray Q. You want to identify whether it is plain text, a formatting mark, or an autocorrect/quick part insertion, so you know which removal method to use next. You now remove the symbol. If it is plain text, use Replace All in Find and Replace. Confirm by replacing one instance first. If the Q is a glyph from a specific font, go to Insert, Symbol, identify the glyph, and delete or replace it. If it's a formatting artifact, select the text and press Ctrl+Space to clear direct formatting. Make sure to inspect Reveal Formatting to see whether styles, fonts, or language settings are forcing that glyph to appear. Finish by cleaning global sources. Open Autocorrect and delete any Q entries, remove Quick Parts saved content, and save normal, .m without the insertion. If the Q comes from a field or macro, press Alt+F9 to reveal field codes and delete the offending field, then toggle back. If the symbol still appears, test in a new blank document and restart Word to clear cached templates. One troubleshooting tip: if replacements fail, inspect the font substitution list. Sometimes a substituted font maps a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.